Lalinog!
Bago ngayong gabi, niyanig ng malakas na lindol ang ilang bahagi ng Visayas.
Ilang estudyante sa lungsod ang nasugatan matapos mahulugan ng debris.
Earthquake may have stopped, but the fear still stays.
Face-to-face classes resume on Monday.
What if the school isn't safe yet? What if the buildings are not ready? What if even one student gets hurt? Do we risk a few lives for the future of the many? Is success worth it if safety is not certain?